Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Being Shimpy. So guys, today I have some budget friendly makeup recommendations, and this makeup products you can use in your regular basis and also during festive seasons. But the best part about this is all these makeup products are very budget friendly, so it will not burn a hole in your pocket and you can definitely vibe well in any occasions without worrying about the money you have spent on them. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. So guys, I'll start the video with this trio from Stays. So guys, the first one I have this Stays 929 Kajal. This is a very good Kajal guys, and this is very affordable too. And the pigment, oh my god, this is hell pigmented. And let me show you, just look at the pigmentation guys, it's so jet black, right? So this is very pigmented, it doesn't smudge and budge, it just glides very well under your eyes. And guys, I love smudge proof kajals because in festival or in any other occasion or day-to-day basis we want a smudge proof kajal. You don't want your kajal to be melt and to become panda like eyes. So for that you can definitely purchase this kajal, let it settle down, and we will check whether it's smudge proof or not. Next I have Stays 929 All Eyes on You liner. This is smudge proof plus waterproof and it will stay on you for 16 hours. The brand claims this. Okay, so guys, this is the eyeliner. I literally love the packaging, it's so sleek and smooth and it's very classy looking. Just look at this, this is not too thin and also not too thick. I think this is the correct size, because if the wand is too much thinner then it becomes very difficult to apply. And just look at that pigmentation, it's jet black in color, so it's highly pigmented guys. So you can see a shine, but when it will dry it will transform into a total matte eyeliner. And also I will show you that whether it is smudge proof or not by smudging it. Let it settle for a few minutes, then we will come up with the result. The third one is Stays 929 All Eyes on You mascara. It's volumizing plus waterproof and it stays for 12 hours in your eyes. So guys, I have used this mascara and literally it volumizes your eyelashes. Okay, and I'll show you live result right now. Just look how chic this is. When this product went viral because this is a tubing mascara, you don't need any micellar water or any other thing to remove this one, which is very good. This is waterproof, and as you guys know, it's a task to remove waterproof mascaras, but not with this one. While removing this mascara you just need water, no need of using any micellar water and whatsoever. Just take simple water and just dab your lashes, and after a few seconds just simply do like this. Okay, and your mascara will melt, it will come out in a tubic form, and it has become my go-to mascara. When you remove your waterproof mascaras, it takes your real eyelashes along with them, but not with this one. So those who are not into falsies and loves using mascara, then you can definitely give it a try. Just look at my lashes now. I have used a little bit mascara, but now I'm using this one, and you can literally see the difference. A visible difference is there. I am just using one single coat. Dipped I have not dipped it again. This is the single coating. Just look at the difference. My eyelashes are visible here and here, as if there is no eyelashes at all. And a similar thing will happen with the lower lashes. And as you guys know that lower lashes are barely visible, right? But not with this mascara guys, not with this one. Your lower lashes will get a life, and they will thank you that, oh, at least they exist in your life and in your eyes. Just mm, look at that. I think I have put some of them here. Okay, okay, this is a mess I've created, but not again. Wait a minute. Oh, can you see my lower lashes? And here, nothing. Okay, here I have nothing, but look at my lower lashes and also upper lashes. So can you see the difference? Okay, my lashes are visible, literally my lashes are visible now. So you have seen such a good volume it gives to your lashes, and not only that, when you will take it out, it comes out so smoothly and easily, and this is very budget friendly. You can definitely give it a try. These three things you will get in very great discount, and if you want to wait and buy it during Nykaa Pink Friday sale, then guys, let me tell you, I have buy this two product and got this one for free. Let's do the smudge proof test, and this is the liner and the kajal, and guys, I am rubbing both of them. The kajal I have used very less, but it's going out. But look at the liner, it's literally there. Nothing happened to the liner, but the kajal I've used very less, but if you will intensify it, it will definitely stay because I have used it in very hot humid season. Let's move on to the next product, and that is mini lipsticks by Blue Heaven. Just look at the teeny tiny cutesy packaging. Those who loves deep color shades, they can purchase this one. There is other variant where they have nude shades, so you can also purchase that one. Just look at these four shades, how pretty it's looking. It's from Blue Heaven and it says mini but mighty Hyperstay Wet Lace Liquid Matte Non-Transfer Matte Lip Color. Okay, so this is transfer proof, intense pigmentation and smudge proof, and it gives you a smooth application. Okay, so this is the first lip shade. Let me show you the swatch. Just look at that pretty pink color, how pretty it is. This is the second shade and it's magenta pink, I think so, because through packaging it looks like that. And yeah, this is magenta pink. Look at the shade. This is the third shade and it's very purplish kind of shade. So yeah, let me show you here. Yeah, this is the swatch, very purplish. And this is the fourth shade. It's look like cherry red. Let's go for the swatch. Yeah, oh my god, this is a very bold cherry shade. These are the four lip shades, guys. You can see how pretty all these are. These are matte. You can see you need to give some time to settle it down, and slowly, this is the first shade, so slowly they will settle into a matte shade. So this will look stunning. And if you don't like bold colors, you want nude colors, then also nude colors are available in these four mini lipsticks. I think all these dark colors are very good for Indian skin tone, and it gives very festive and wedding vibes. So guys, this is the last product from this video, and it's a very pretty eyeshadow palette. Eyeshadows are very necessary during any festive or wedding season or any other occasion when you need to glam up your looks and you want to be a diva of the party. And this is from the brand called Matte Look Catch the Eyes eyeshadow palette, plastic transparent packaging, and these are the shades. You will get one or two more extra shades from the same matte look range. So I have picked this one because this palette is very versatile. You can get blues, pinks and browns and all the glitters and shimmers and matte. So this is very versatile. You want to do matte look or shimmery look, or you can use glitters for that glam look. And other pink and neutral shades are also there, so if you want those shades, then you can also pick those shades. Okay, just look at the palette. Let me show you. Yeah, Just take a moment and look at the palette. How pretty this is, how pretty all these shades are, very pigmented. Let me show you some swatches. First from this matte, okay. Yeah, let me show you swatches from some matte colors. Just look at that, just see. How pigmented it is. Next swatches will be from shimmers or metallic, whatever you want to say, and I have some favorites. Just look at the silver color, guys. My heart goes for this silver color. Okay, very very pretty, it's very pigmented. Just look at the swatch, how hell pigmented all these are. It's very pigmented, and you can see the shade shift when the light falls straight in the shades. It gives a very nice shift. Now if I talk about the glitters, only four glitters are there: golden, silver, this is somewhere wine shade, and this is the red one. I will do a very little glitter, okay, because otherwise it will spread everywhere, I think so. Yeah, just look at the glitters. These glitters are very very pigmented too. So guys, overall this palette is very very nice, very versatile. You can travel with this palette and can create immense number of looks. In this budget you will get a very nice palette. This is very good for gifting and also for personal use. And if you are a beginner in makeup and you want to experiment with eyeshadows and eye makeup looks, then I think this is the good palette to start with. So you can definitely give it a try. So guys, with this I've come to an end of this video. I hope this video was helpful for you all. I will tag all the product links down below in the description. Just click and purchase this product. And guys, all these products are very budget friendly, and I think those who are beginner in makeup and want to do some makeup, those who are new and doesn't know how to do makeup and they want to buy so many things, so you can purchase this budget friendly product. With this I end my video today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.